there's a political turmoil now or crisis happening in Maguindanao del Norte because of Supreme Court ruling on June 26, no, which supposedly validated the assumption of Aimee Sinsuat as acting governor of Maguindanao del Norte, and also the si Mr. Mastura as the acting vice governor. Ano pong posisyon ng BARM?
Una ko ay hindi pa final and executory yung decision ng Supreme Court. Dahil hindi pa ho namin nare-receive as party to this case yung decision mismo ng Supreme Court. Under the rules, when we receive the decision, we have 15 days within which to file a motion for reconsideration or any appropriate motion that we feel would be sufficient to address yung concerns namin doon sa decision ng Supreme Court. So as it stands now, wala pa hong decision dito yung Supreme Court na final and executory. Yun ang una na kailangan maintindihan ng lahat. Dahil hindi pa final and executory, hindi ho magiging source ng right yun o kaya ng privileges yung decision na yon for any of the parties in the case. So hindi pa ho yun pwedeng i-cite na gumagawa kami ng ganito dahil ito ay decision ng Supreme Court. That's just on the procedural side. Doon ho sa more substantive na issue nung decision ng Supreme Court, I think ang pinakamalaking kailangan maisaayos ay yung decision na yon ay hindi na consider yung supervening events after the filing of the mandamos sometime in February this year. Nung final ho yan ay wala pa hong appointment na ini-issue si Pangulong Marcos kay Governor Makakuwa. Kaya ho hindi na take up doon sa decision yung issue ng panibagong appointment na in-issue ni Pangulo. Kaya ang circumstances surrounding the case ay yung period na merong hiatus. Kaya yung decision ho ng korte nakabase doon sa scenario na yon na walang transaction sa province of Maguindanao del Norte, hindi gumagalaw yung province. Pero after the appointment ho ni Pangulong Marcos, gumalaw na ho yung probinsya. Pangalawa ho, in fact, si Aimee Sinsuat, who was the original petitioner in this case, was also appointed by the President as the Vice Governor of the province of Maguindanao del Norte. More than that, tinanggap po niya yung appointment na yon at nag-take siya ng oath kay Pangulong Marcos at nag-discharge na siya ng function niya as the Vice Governor. In fact, nagsweldo na rin as the Vice Governor of the province of Maguindanao. So all indications point to the fact na inabandon na niya yung original na position niya in that petition. So yung supervening events na yun, kailangan hong makonsider yun ng Supreme Court. And which is why we are thinking, as soon as we receive the official copy, we will file a motion for reconsideration.
Lalagay ko lang po sa proper context, no. Yung case po was filed because at that time si Sinsuat who claimed that she was governor already ay hindi binibigyan ng hindi nire-releasean ng funds ng Department of Finance. That's why she filed for a petition for a writ of mandamus. Tama po ba? So it had nothing to do with Governor Makakuwa. Tama po, di ba?
Tama po 'yon. Tama po 'yon. Kasi
ang ruling po ng
last year,
ang ruling po ng Supreme Court is based on that
facts and circumstances.
Out of the picture yung appointment. The succeeding.
Tama po 'yon.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Tama ho yun. Kasi last year,
you are saying now that
yes,
the moment she accepted her appointment and took her oath of office as vice OIC Vice Governor of Maguindanao del Norte, naging moot and academic na lahat. Yun po ba ang...
yes, technically ho. Tama po yun. Technically, kasi wala naman yung hiatus na scenario na pinipaint doon sa original petition nila na hindi na gumagalaw yung probinsya dahil walang officials functioning in the province of Maguindanao del Norte. But as soon as yung appointments were issued at kasama siya doon sa mga inappoint at tinanggap niya, wala na ho yung sinasabi nilang hiatus doon sa province of Maguindanao del Norte. And because yung facts and circumstances from where the decision was drawn ay wala na ho yung dapat basis doon sa pagsasabing merong hiatus, and therefore we need to recognize an acting governor and a vice governor in the province of Maguindanao del Norte. Tama po yun.
Okay. Minister, you said na you're waiting for a copy of that decision and then you will question it, meaning the BARM will go to the Supreme Court?
Yeah. Yes, sir. So, kasi yung talagang original na respondent kami doon sa petition for mandamos. Yung Ministry of the Interior and Local Government of the Bangsamoro government, pati ho yung Bureau of Local Government Finance of the Department of Finance, kami hong dalawang opisina ang respondent doon sa case na yon. Kaya ho, we are entitled to our right to receive an official copy of the decision and find appropriate motion within the reglementary period ho. So, aantayin ho namin yun.
So, in your motion, you will include already introduce Makakua and the appointments.
Opo, so we will already say na mayroong supervening event that the Supreme Court need to consider in the decision. Yun po ang gagawin natin para ho ma-appraise ang Supreme Court doon sa mga developments na yun, including the acceptance of the petitioner Sinsuat doon sa kanyang appointment as the Vice Governor and not the Governor of the province of Maguindanao po.
Okay. Lastly po, kamusta po ang Maguindanao del Norte ngayon? Ano pong situation dyan? Because of ang narinig po natin latest was she vacated the position of Vice Governor to assume or to assert her claim over the gubernatorial post. Nandyan po nakaupo rin si Governor Makakua. So what's happening now? May tension ho ba?
Wala naman pong tension, but ang nangyari ho ay nag-submit si Aini Sinsuat at saka si Sharifudin Mastura ng letter of reassumption dito sa amin. This was filed last Friday po. So last Friday, pinile nila dito sa opisina, notifying us na nagre-reassume sila nung post nila. We've replied to the letter ho sa kanila. Sinagot na ho namin at ang sabi ho namin sa kanila ay we cannot act on the request because premature yung reassumption dahil hindi pa naman final and executory yung decision ng Supreme Court. Under the rules, if we are furnished a copy as one of the respondents in that case, a copy of that, we are given 15 days to file our motion for reconsideration. And we intend to do that, and therefore, it would be premature to reassume on the basis of a decision which is not yet final and executory.
Okay. On that note, I'd like to thank you, Minister Najib Sinarimbo, for this chance. Baka may gusto ka pang idagdag, sir?
Yun lang po. Ang panawagan lang ho natin doon sa mga kasama natin is to respect yung decisions of the court as well as the rules provided para ho maging smooth yung operation. Kasi ho, pag nag-act tayo on the basis of our own rules, and our own imagination of what the law says, mahirapan ho talaga tayo. So clear naman ho yung mga batas at saka yung mga rules. So yun lang ho ang sundan para ho hindi ma-disrupt ultimately yung public service in the province of Maguindanao del Norte.